Alright guys, this is the boy T-Bag. I'm coming on an adventure to put up some ironing on this house. We did put up some already. Yeah. The rest of them I put up outside. So the one I already put up. But this is a good while ago. We put up this. And then I'm going to put up the rest. So stay tuned and this guys just bring around one off camera. So we're going to the next one now. So stay tuned, watch it progress. No, I'm not scratch you, man. Yeah, see Ella there. Man, get around that one. Right around the next one, them. They're so beautiful, colorful. Yeah. Guys, we have Aki them on the tree. Aki start all open. Yeah. See there? See some of the dung so too. You can find it in the pan. Look there. Yeah man, they're open. Bike in the yard same time. But scare down there so. Yeah. Them nice flowers here. Nice flowers along the way. Yeah. Going up back to the awning. Yeah. Go around on the back. Get the rest of them. So guys, stay tuned. Watch the progress. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Yep. Hold up this now. Vice grip. Finger. Yeah. I'm gonna get it done. Alright, come down. Yeah, alright guys, finally done now, This is the last one I put up. So we make it to the end of the video right now. So like, comment, share, subscribe if you have subscribers yet. Press the post notification bell so you can know when the video them dropping, guys. Until then, I'm out. Yeah. Don't put them up now. Yeah. Next one here. Well, beautiful, guys. Yeah. They are upon it on. So we're done now, so we are go home.